515s on a 2-series brake cage.
And a 6-cylinder?
6-cylinder, yeah.
Nice.
I usually seal you up, but I'll let you get the one on your side.
Okay. Yeah, man. Do what you want to do, man. Really nice.
10 bad bitches in a match. Wrist on, really rock on diamonds on me dance. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna lick me like some candy. And them drugs come in handy. Last night savage bitch, but no I'm not ready. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a plan B. And I'm sipping on that codeine now.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Came out with it. I took out a big piece like this of metal that went across my door.
Damn.
It came right out.
Well, it's not bad.
How's it going, Jacob?
What's up, man? Could you tell me your name real quick?
Marianno.
So what was your final score, SPL wise?
I just know my Subsonic, that's all.
What is your, like, after bonus points, what are you metering?
Right now, my highest is a 160.
Really? Good job. Congrats, man. Thank you for the demo.
Next time you get also double power.
Oh, God. What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around. We got Marianno's system. This was at the Slamfest Audio Show near Tampa, Florida area. Powerful 16,000 watt system, and his windshield and glass was pretty much trying to break out of the door. You're going to see during this demo. Insane amount of flex. Definitely a low-end Subsonic suicide. record breaker SPL test system. So anybody trying to play lows and want to watch a system with a lot of wind, this is the one to watch. He plays down to the high teen frequencies, low 20s with way crazy authority into the mid to high 50 dB range. This is a 6th order enclosure with that back port. Kind of hard to see, but there is a rear port. So there is a rear port and a bottom section where there's actually another ported chamber. So these subs are inverted with the cone on the bottom with another whole chamber. So these kind of enclosures get really low in response. And if you're going for wind, 6th orders are the best route to go 90% of the time. So a total of 16,000 watts on these 4 15-inch subs. They're rated at 2,500 watt RMS each. Definitely conservative rated. He's giving them all the power. We're doing to the demo now. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for daily videos and enjoy.
And I'm sipping on that codeine, that brandy. Flexing on that bitch, hold up.
When that one go get the stick, hold on. Flexing on that bitch, hold up. When that one go get the stick, hold on.
It's just bitch already inside.
Thank you for the demo, Mario. So what was your final score, SPL wise? What is your, like, after bonus points, what are you metering?
Right now, my highest is a 160.
Really? Good job. Congrats, man. Thank you for the demo.
Next time you get also double power.
Oh, God. All right, man. Yeah, man. Have a good